Hello Gemini, welcome back to my channel. If you are a Gemini Sun, Moon or Rising, this reading is for you. This is going to be for the May 1st week's exclusive Love Plus Career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading, that will be uploaded on my channel Mondays and Tuesdays. And if you want to book any ritual with me since April 27th full moon is coming, or any reading or counseling session for that matter, which I've just started, please stay tuned till the end to get more information. So let's start with your career. Your cards are already out. You've got the 10 of moons and the knight card. Let me tell you, money wise, saving wise, this week is going to be very good for you. I do see that you are saving a lot of money, you are earning a lot of money, and it could be that you're gaining a lot of money from other sources like ancestral property, right? Somebody leaving legacy for you. I also see that you are leaving something and moving away. So it could be that for your career, either you are changing your business line or moving cities, changing offices, right? Moving homes, or you are going abroad for something. So there is some sort of distance where you are leaving something behind. It could be that you're leaving your friends behind, moving to a new state, city, country, like I said, either for work or for higher studies. Definitely something is being left behind, either a lot of memories or pain, and you're moving into a new direction. And this direction is something which you never thought. Like it could be something completely new, not really a usual way of doing. Maybe one point of time you did think that this is what I'm going to do, but then you changed it, right? It also looks like an immature energy to me or an immature decision to me. So if you are making any decision regarding your career which is immature or impulsive, I ask you to think it again, because I do not want you to regret it in a later life, right? In the later time in life. So please make sure that whatever decisions you're doing, especially to move away, change job, and any major step that you're planning to take, that is a well thought through plan, right? Let's see what is happening in your personal life. You've got the alchemist and the emperor. Well, I do see that you're ready to settle down now. It looks like an adventurer, somebody who has always been traveling, or somebody who uh, did not want to commit at one point of time or wanted to settle down is now ready. So yes, your vibes are changing, your energies are changing, and probably that's why you're making such a career move as well, right? Now you are like, I do not want so much traveling job. I want to stay closer to family, or whatever your situation is. It could be that you are getting married and that is why you have to leave your family members behind, right? So especially if you're a woman, this reading can apply to you. So if you are getting married, I do see you getting married to somebody who's at a very good position, like an emperor, somebody who could have financial wealth, somebody who could be authoritative, somebody who could be at a very good position, who's also not just able to provide you financial stability, but also emotional stability. This person will commit in you, right? He will also be your guide, your mentor. And I also see that your father or father figure can have a huge role to play in your life as well. Now, if you are already married, then yes, I do see that your relations with your husband are going to increase and improve in some way or the other. If you have been away from each other for too long, probably you'll start spending time with each other, and the stress in the relationship will go away. So if I look at your overall week, I think it's beautiful. It's looking very good, provided you just think through the decisions, right? Do not make impulsive choices. Other than that, I do not see any major issues in your life. So it's going to be a good week for you guys. And if you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please comment and let me know if this is exactly what is happening in your life. And do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this positive energy of this reading reaches you faster. Now, coming to the full moon of April 27th, it's the perfect time to do any rituals. So if you have blockages in your life, like promotion is not happening, health is not improving, not clearing the exam, marriage is not happening, and such other issues, you can book a blockage removal ritual. And if you want to manifest something, you can book a bay leaf ritual. I do that as well. So if you would like to book one, please book it today so that you can perform and start at on April 27th sharp. Next is I do have spiritual counseling sessions. This is like a therapy session to all those who are going through troubled time and do not have anyone to, vent out to or share their problems, or they are afraid of sharing their deep dark secrets with them because they might get leaked. Then you can always come to me. I will be your guide, mentor. I will listen to your problems, and I will also, with the help of your angels, give you the correct free remedy as well. So if you or you any of your friend or family, if you're going through, right, so please share this video with any of your friend or family who's going through such a situation and they need help, so that they can get through this video and get the message and they can talk to someone and feel better. Now this is a session you can book as many times as possible depending upon your budget, your need as well, right? I hope that the half an hour or 1 hour sessions available will give you some guidance, clarity and positive thinking as well. Apart from that, I do have personal readings as well, which is the cheapest readings available on my channel. Please, you can email or DM me to know the prices. Apart from that, I have packages available too. For love situations, I have a different package. For singles, I have a different package. For friendship, I have a different package. And for people looking for career, I have a different package. There will be set of questions and a free remedy which with each package, as well as to know or to see or to find out what is exactly blocking your life, right? So please, you can email me if you're asking how to book a reading, ritual or session with you. Then you can email me on the given email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, the Moksha Tarot, as well. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details, important announcements on my channel on a daily basis. It's everywhere in my stories, my page, and I've pinned some important information as well. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Show your love and support to it, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.